when you're not feeling it at all. It's not always the case that a lack of passion or a case of the mess means your relationship is broken beyond repair. 1. Consider your relationship's positive aspects. Take a week to observe or list all the things your partner does right. 2. Express gratitude for little things. In a similar vein, don't simply observe your partner's good deeds in silence. Verbally praise them when they do something kind of helpful, even if it's only cleaning up the kitchen after a meal. 3. Enjoy yourself together. You can simply become stuck in a rut at times. Although it may sound cliché, making time, even just a few hours, to go do something unusual can have a significant impact. According to psychological studies, couples who play together feel happier and more positive emotions. Consider taking a break from your usual routine to engage in new, uplifting activities. 4. Continue to be intimate and talkative. We suggest figuring out how to take care of one another emotionally. What does this mean in reality? Begin by pledging to alert each other as soon as you suspect a rift is developing. Together, sit down and investigate the potential causes of that. Have your jobs kept you both busy? When was the last time you two just relaxed and enjoyed one another's company? Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.